¿Aló? Ya estoy en Medallón.
Capital Music.
¿Aló? Ya estoy en Medallón.
Colombia Gang Gang.
Te veo en el poblado, pues.
Remix.
En un PH en el poblado me la comía. De ella me quedé enchulado, yo no sabía. Hicimos cosas que en verdad desconocía. Esa noche no la olvida.
Le compré unos panty mosquinos pa' que modele y un perfume bon. Ay, qué rico huele. Ese culito es mío, ya yo tengo los papeles encerrado en un PH en el poblado.
Le compré unos panty mosquinos pa' que modeles y un perfume bon. Ay, qué rico huele. Ese culito es mío, ya yo tengo los papeles encerrado en un PH en el poblado.
Yo nunca le altero el pH. Te quiero en 4 pa' que grites house shit. Se me cayó el lápiz, baby, quiero que te agache. Si le jalo el pelo, no importa si estoy muy guache. Ella solo disfruta de mi pH. Mi baby honey, ella quiere sexo, no quiere money. Pa' allá la vida es un rolling, haciendo el amor por hobby. Novio tiene cara enfermo, ese hueputa tiene COVID. Y yo soy eterno como Kobe. Tú estás en mi penthouse y ellas están en el lobby. Aquí no te joden, si tú juegas quedan en game over. Si me vio en tu casa, soy amigo de tu brother. Y dile que aquí somos cantantes, que no hacemos covers. Yo soy el que la despisto. Le compré unos panties, una marca que tú nunca has visto. Agresiva cuando se lo meto. Y vamos a subir el blackout pa' ver el poblado completo.
Y si tú tienes los papeles de este culo, porque has pagado caro y yo facturo. Panticito mosquino y palo oscuro. Que yo prendo el bareto y luce el culo. Dale, ponte la bota y que la nota no domine o mazota. Está en algota. Que tengo que sudarla gota a gota. Y en Colombia tú me gritas mamazota. Un chin, todos quieren un chin. Que la nena de Medellín, los bebés me ven y dicen que chimba Karol G. Un chin, todos quieren un chin. Que la nena de Medellín, por todo el booty que tenemos brinca como trampolín.
Le compré unos panty mosquinos pa' que modele y un perfume bon. Ay, qué rico huele. Ese culito es mío, ya yo tengo los papeles encerrado con este hueputa en el poblado. En el cuarto, bebé, la ciudad no se ve. Fui en el balcón pa' que la vista le dé. Media violenta quiere que la cachete en un PH con esta HP. Qué rico le huele el cebón. Y no solo el perfume abajo le huele el jabón. La niña no fuma pero quiere prender un ron. Botellas encerrado, esto parece un maratón. Tiene novio, por eso no quiere comprometerse. Pero él no le da así como yo le doy. Le compro un juguete porque cuando él no esté me piense. Y también
Me compro unos panty mosquinos pa' que modele y un perfume bon. Ay, qué rico huele. Tú eres el culito mío, ya yo tengo los papeles encerrados en un PH en el poblado.
Ya tú sabes cómo va. Le encerré mi PH, le compré una CH. Ella nunca pitea porque yo soy un gache. La dejé mojadita, vuelta flow triple H. Te canto el perdón y tengo travesura. Con ese culo voy a la segura. Te juro, baby, tú eres la madura. Y tú estás loca con el Nicky Nicky. Perrea desde los tiempos de Wiki Wiki. No acabamos y ya queremos darle repeat. Nunca me dice que no, siempre claro que sí. Loca con el Nicky Nicky. Perrea desde los tiempos de Wiki Wiki. No acabamos y ya queremos darle repeat. Nunca me dice que no, siempre claro que sí.
Nadie se imagina como tú y yo nos comemos. Viendo las estrellas, nos enloquecemos. Todas las botellas, no las bebemos. Los dos encerrados, lo hacemos y prendemos. Le gusta el reggaetón y a mí su perfume bon. Quiero que me modele y me grabe con el phone. Moviendo ese culo, baby, tienes el don. Pa' pedir,
clicks, clitoris, vigorous, black bass, at its vivid as black gas, moves back in the bass, faster than Beverly. Me and Cassie with Cassidy, in the passenger, packing the shovel, racking up bodies quicker than calories, salaries. Being spinning and invented, a pussy magnet and stagnant fragments of faggots whose click blackened with cactuses in a package delivered for fucking synonyms, cinnamon covered synonyms. Get 'em, got 'em, killing them, killable, fucking literal, kiddable. Little fucker than sucker cunt in a couple of chemotherapy officer of accomplishing condiments. And your converse is commonly incompetent prominence. You're the communist, but they never understand how it feels to be a man. How it feels to be a man.
Hey, girl, never lie to me. Duck from the flashing lights and watch out when the tide coming. People they can say about it, though it can't tell me nothing. I know it's all for the better and I'm never stunning. I just want a girl who gon' really tell me something. Hey. Girl, never lie to me. Girl, would you ride for me? Pull up on the side for me. Duck from the flashing lights and watch out when the tide coming. I know it's hard to be yourself when all these people judging. Take a step out the double cut, can't tell me nothing. I know it's all for the better and I'm never stunning. I just want a girl who gon' really show me something. Give you the time of your life if you'll stop fronting. Rolling cookie in LA, I think I found my bae. She roll my weed, so she gonna be hard to replace. We taking shots of the Henny, I don't need a chase. Almost forgot where I'm at, can barely feel my face. Rock star lifestyle, might just die tonight. If I was down and had nobody, would you sacrifice? They say loose ends break friends, I ain't tryna fight. Fuck being sober, girl, come over and enjoy the high. So don't fuck up the vibe, don't ever waste my time. And when I'm feeling down, will you come stay tonight? And if you far away, then will you book a flight? My neck flooded with ice, she grip it like a vice. Can't ever play it nice, the world's so full of lies. And I'm not being them, cause I'm just not that guy. You wanna be somebody, so put aside pride. So open up your eyes, they talking from outside. Hey, girl, never lie to me. Girl, would you ride for me? Pull up on the side from me. Duck from the flashing lights and watch out when the tide coming. I know it's hard to be yourself when all these people judging. I take a step out the double cup, can't tell me nothing. I know it's all for the better and I'm never stunting. I just want a girl who gon' really show me something. Give you the time of your life if you stop fronting. Give you the time of your life if you stop fronting. I know they hating on me cause I really came from nothing. I just wanna talk to you, can we have discussion? Why you fronting on me, shawty? Better stop the bluffing. You better stop the bluffing. I really know you want it. You push that thing up on me, so I'ma jump up on it. I ain't gonna fake it, because I know I want it. These niggas so 50, I keep my shit 100. Roll this wood and we getting high. She say she love me, I know that's a lie. And you know we up in the sky. Roll this wood and we getting high. She say she love me, I know that's a lie. And you know we up in the sky.
I feel like I'm at a standstill, waiting for you to tell me I'm okay. If time heals, tell me why do I kill myself trying to show you I'm not a mistake. I've got qualities that I'm not proud of. I've made promises that I walked out on. I've had days I feel I don't deserve love. So think what you think, just don't call me up. Mistake, might have made some. Can't argue with that, but I ain't one. Even I sometimes get afraid of having to face the wrath of an anxious me. I get it cause I actually feel the same. Sometimes I think I might be a lost cause who turns off cause the way I read into what I've been through. You think I'm mental, but it pays off though. When the rent's due, I pursue what I love. And if it goes south and falls down, just know I stand on my own 2 feet. Don't you see those that oppose on me? Most won't leave thinking I might retreat. Show my teeth quick if you turn on me, cause I feel like I'm at a standstill, waiting for you to tell me I'm okay. If time heals, tell me why do I kill myself trying to show you I'm not a mistake. I've got qualities that I'm not proud of. I've made promises that I walked out on. I've had days I feel I don't deserve love. So think what you think, just don't call me up. Just don't call me up. Just don't call me up. Mistake, cause I'm not one. Misplaced, but I found a lot of resentment causes a mess when you let it get to the place of no confidence. Struggle with it, that's obvious, but not enough to make me second guess if I die for the ones I love. So don't you get confused, thinking if you bring me down, I'ma just choose to let myself get used. I don't live like that, I feel trapped, I might lash out. I gotta watch my back, cross my path, especially with ill intent. You'll regret you ever took that task if and when this thing could all go bad. Don't you act like no one warned you, yeah, cause I feel like I'm at a standstill, waiting for you to tell me I'm okay. If time heals, tell me why do I kill myself trying to show you I'm not a mistake. I've got qualities that I'm not proud of. I've made promises that I walked out on. I've had days I feel I don't deserve love. So think what you think, just don't call me up. Mistake.
Rob the jewelry store and tell her make me a grill. Had a whole top diamond and the bottom rose gold.
Yo, we about to start an epidemic with this one. Yeah, I know what this is. So death.
Got 30 down at the bottom, 30 more at the top. All invisible set and little ice cube blocks. If I could call it a drink, call it a smile on the rocks. If I could call out a price, let's say I call out a lot. I got like platinum and white gold, traditional gold. I'm changing grills every day, like Jay changed clothes. I might be grilled out nicely in my white tee on South Beach. In my wife beat, VVS studded. You can tell when they cut it. You see, my grandmama hate it, but my little mama love it. Cause when I
open up your mouth, your grill gleaming. I stand up from the chiefin'.
I got a grill I call penny candy. You know what that mean? It look like nah later some drops jelly beans. I wouldn't leave it for nothing, only a crazy man would. So if you catch me in your city, somewhere out in your hood, just say
smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
Come on, let me see your grill.
Let me see my what?
Yeah, your grill. Your grill.
Rob the jewelry store and tell her make me a grill. She said
smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
I wanna see your grill.
You wanna see my what?
Yeah, your grill. Your grill.
had a whole top diamond and the bottom rose gold.
What it do, baby? It's the Iceman power, wow. I got my mouth looking something like a disco ball. I got the diamonds in the ice all hand said I might cause a cold front if I take a deep breath. My teeth gleaming like I'm chewing on aluminum foil. Smiling, showing off my diamonds, sipping on some potent oil. I put my money where my mouth is and bought a grill. 20 kids, 30 stacks, let them know I'm so for real. My motor motivation is them 30-pointers, BBS, the furniture in my mouthpiece simply symbolize success.
That's right.
I got the wrist wear and neck wear that's captivating, but it's one smile that got these on looking spectating. My mouthpiece simply certified, a total package. Open up my mouth and you see more kids than a salad. My teeth are mind blowing, giving everybody chills. Call me George Foreman, cause I'm selling everybody grills.
Smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
Let me see your grill.
Let you see my work.
Yeah, your grill. Yeah, your grill.
Rob the jewelry store and tell her make me a grill. She said,
smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
I wanna see your grill.
You wanna see my work?
Yeah, your grill. Yeah, your grill.
Had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
Yep, got them yellows, got them purples, got them reds. Life's gon' hit it, make you woozy in your head. You can catch me in my too short drop. Mouth got colors like a fruit. Yeah, this what it do when the Lou ice grill, country grammar where the hustlers move bricks and the gangsters bang hammers. Where I got them, you can spot them on the top and the bottom. Got a bill in my mouth like I'm Hillary Rodham. I ain't dissing nobody, but let's bring it to the light. Gill was the first with my mouth bright white. These hoes can't focus cause their eyesight blurry. Tipping on some bowls, you can see my mouth jury. I got 4 different sets, it's a fabulous thing. One white, one yellow like fabulous chain. And the other set insane, got my name in the mold.
Had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
Smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
Let me see your grill.
Let you see my work.
Yeah, your grill. Yeah, your grill.
Rob the jewelry store and tell her make me a grill. She said,
smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
I wanna see your grill.
You wanna see my work?
Yeah, your grill. Yeah, your grill.
Had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
Sing to me.
Boy, how'd you get your grill that way? And how much did you pay? Every time I see you, the first thing I won't say, hey, smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
Let me see your grill.
Let you see my work.
Yeah, your grill. Yeah, your grill.
Rob the jewelry store and tell her make me a grill. She said,
smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
I wanna see your grill.
You wanna see my work?
Yeah, your grill. Yeah, your grill.
Had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
Just can't believe this, man. Metro Boomin want some more, nigga.
Somebody said they saw you. The person you were kissing wasn't me, and I would never ask you. I just kept it to myself. I don't wanna know if you're playing me. Keep it on the low, cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you creep in, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know.
cuffing like the precinct. How you go from housewife to a sneaky link? Got you round in all type of Benzes and Rovers. Girl, you used to ride in the rinky dink. I'm the one put you in that Leontay. Fashion over model, I put you on the runway. You was rocking Coach bags, got you Sinead. Side bitch in Frisco, I call her my baby. I got a girl, but I still feel alone. If you plan me, that mean my home ain't home. Having nightmares are going through your phone. Can't even record, you got me out my zone.
I wanna know if you're playing me, keep it on the low. Cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know if you're playing me, keep it on the low. Cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know.
If you creeping, just don't let me find out. Get a hotel, never bring them to the house.
If you're better off that way, baby, all that I can say. If you're gonna do your thing, then don't come back to me.